Whoa. Where'd you get this?
I printed it for the game.
This is so cool. Yeah, we have to use this.
That's really cool. How many times did it take you to print them?
I'd say that was my 18th attempt.
18! Do you not realize how much waste that causes?
Waste? I used a bio-based filament which is made of other recycled filaments.
Okay, that's good. But where do you put the failed projects?
Oh, I just chuck them out. There's no need to keep failed projects around.
You know, to make recycled filament, you need to recycle the old filament, right?
A couple other things that you need to think about is energy consumption and also the fact that toxic chemical emissions will be released from the machine when you are printing.
Wait! Toxic emissions?
Yes. When you heat up plastic, it releases chemicals. So you have to make sure you have a way of venting it out.
Okay, so is it even a good idea to 3D print in the first place?
Well, for as many cons 3D printing has, including the overflowing of the creative market, there are just as many positives.
Yeah, it allows for creative freedom such as what you've made here today, and it can even be used in the medical field for customized parts. And please, just remember to always pick recyclable filament, recycle the waste, and vent out any toxins.
Okay, let's start this game.
Yeah.
Oh yeah!